Yes, sir.
Shall we start?
Yeah, we are. I'm okay. I'm waiting.
Yeah, so I think Ansi will start with the
Yes,
welcome
sir.
buttons.
Okay, sir. Shall I proceed?
Okay.
Good morning, everybody. It's my pleasure to welcome you all here today in our Engineering Opportunities Session 3 with an interesting topic, Secrets to be Successful. On behalf of all the students and office bearers present here, I would like to welcome the speaker of the session, Mr. Kelvin Varghese, Director of Farnec Dubai. I feel so grateful to welcome you, sir.
Thank you so much, Ansi.
Next, I would like to welcome Mr. Marcelin Beno, IIT KKLN Secretary and Vice Principal of XSCCE. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
Next, I would like to welcome Mr. A. George Ansfer, Faculty Advisor, IIT KKLN on campus XSCCE. We welcome you, sir.
என்னது?
Then, I would like to welcome our chairman, Mr. Anto, IIT on campus XSCCE. I welcome you, Anto. Last but not least, I would like to welcome all our office bearers and students present here. I'm so happy to welcome you all. I hope the session will be great and successful. Let's enjoy and learn something great and new today. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you,
so much.
Ansi, for your welcome address. Once again, good morning to everyone. I'm really very happy to introduce the session. First of all, our speaker is none other than our esteemed, our pride alumnus, our first batch EEE student, Engineer Kelvin Varghese. You can see the slide also. A successful man is an example for our successful alumnus. The award recently he received the Gulf countries or East, Middle East, all over the Middle East. He received the Facilities Manager of the Year award. Also recently one more award, Facilities Manager for the Virtual Award. He received a lot of awards because of his hard work and because of his commitment, and is a successful alumnus and a successful man. So in this series of engineering opportunities, first two topics we focus purely technical, but a technical person, he will explain the tips or secrets how to be successful. Then only all the new budding engineers can become successful engineers. So with that mind, we plan to arrange this event, this session in his busy schedule. I hope this is early morning in his UAE. He is accepted and he is with us. Hope in this session you will get lot of secrets, lot of success tips. My part also I will say a small word. Then the introduction by Chief Guest by IIT on campus Chairman Mr. Ando. விழிகள் இல்லை எனில் பார்வை இல்லை, வழிகள் இல்லை எனில் வாழ்க்கை இல்லை, முயற்சிகள் இல்லை எனில் வெற்றி இல்லை. முயற்சிகள், hard work or commitment and continuous perseverance keeps the success. So I wish everyone becomes success. And now I invite Mr. Anto to introduce the chief guest.
Once again, good morning to all. It's a great honor for me to introduce the chief guest, Mr. Kelvin Varghese, Director, HMG and Dubai Airport. He completed his bachelor degree in St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering and master degree in Satyabama University. He started his career as a design engineer in E-Tech Engineering Systems. He worked as maintenance engineer in BK Guld for 2 years and senior MEP engineer in IMDAD for 3 years. Later, he worked as the operational manager AA Asmat Facility Management for 3 years. He played the role of facility manager Senior Facilities Manager, Operation Manager, Director in Farnack Services LLC. He is an expert in project planning, energy conservation, energy management, preventive maintenance, electrical engineering, commercial management, building services, facilities management, and so on. He has done courses like IOS RCM3, Facilities Management, UPDA Certified Engineers, Notifier Factory Certificate, Dubai Civil Defense, and many other certification courses. We feel honored to have you as a guest. Now I hand over the session to our chief guest, Mr. Kelvin Varghese.
Thank you so much for the nice welcome for all of you and special words, which is a motivation for me before starting this presentation. And I feel proud of standing this webinar with my St. Xavier's lovable family. Always I used to say this word for everywhere. Because of the St. Xavier's taken me to this place now. I am sitting in Dubai as a director. And mainly special thanks to my lovable and my respective Marcelin Benosar. I always respect you because of I remember the days I during the studies. You are the person motivated, not only me, my full team. Like we used to say, we are the backbench boys, but always you love the backbench boys. So that's the reason you are in the front bench now. So thank you so much, sir, for this opportunity again. So I'm just requesting everyone, please be with me for the presentation. And whenever you have any doubt, you can stop me and ask. Most of the time, I used to take myself as an example on this presentation to motivate my team. So don't think that I'm talking myself. It's not about to say myself. God great, I reach in a place. In Middle East, I got an award as Mr. Benosar. And that's more enough for me that people knows well. But I'm going to use myself as an example in front of my St. Xavier's family, my juniors and my lecturer and my respective Mr. Benosar also. So please be with me on this presentation. Definitely I may have some negative talk. You can stop me on the time. Sir, can I proceed the presentation, Benosar? Thank you so much. Okay. Let's introduce little brief about myself. I think to continue the presentation, myself Kelvin Varghese, and I studied in St. Xavier's College. I'm Master of Engineer. I think most of the information given by the introduction. Just I want to give something here. You can see the photo. You cannot find me where I am, and you can see the difference now. When I was in St. Xavier's College, I hope you can see the presentation, right? Benosar, you can see the presentation, right?
No, sir.
You cannot see the presentation?
No.
Mr.
Somebody,
Prabodh
Prabhat Singh, he has shared actually.
Prabodh. Yeah, don't share. Prabhat Singh. Mr. Prabhat Singh.
You can see my presentation?
Yes, sir.
Now it's fine, I believe.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
So I think Prajab, somebody else shared, so it's fine now. Okay. So you can see the photo. This was taken on 1998 patch. We are the first patch. You can find me as a red shirt. That's on in the college time. So with like a 2002, now we are 2020. So it's been like 18 years of journey. And I reached as a director. It's not an easy job. After this, I studied my master degree in Satyabama. And you can see my batchmate, and you can see the background of our college. It's like our EEE department entrance. So now there are huge changes. I came last time, I seen like a lot of changes. So you can see the changes from myself also. When I'm studying the college, you can see like a red color shirt and looking like a very casual boy. And now you can see I was like a director position in this area. So why I'm trying to show this slide, there are all the engineers who are standing with me. They're all in a good position. They're all from our St. Xavier's. I cannot explain one by one, but I can 100% guarantee say none of these people have unemployed now. They're all in a good level of like a project managers. In the person from Maryland is a scientist in Kodamkulam. There are many very good position. The 2002 batch was now in place. Yeah. So let's go for the presentation. We talk about today how to be successful in life. How to be successful in life is a good subject, and when Mr. Benosar asked me to give some presentation, I thought of okay, let's go for the how to be successful in life. What is success? Hope you can hear me, right? You can hear me? Hello?
Yes, can hear you.
Okay, thank you. Sometimes, the webinar, even technical errors, we don't know, so we will keep on talk. The end result, luckily I asked for the presentation, you can see. If I not asked, sometimes if you are not hearing me or the presentation some issue, please highlight immediately. Yeah?
Okay.
Thank you. So what is success? Anybody have the answers? We are talking today about what is success. Okay, right. See, success, the word itself, you can see. If you want to be a success, what is success? When you say like, hi guys, hi friends, I am very successful today because I have earned around 100,000, which is my plan. I am very successful today. I completed my BE engineering. I am very successful today. I completed my first semester without any arrear. I am very successful today. I got increment, which I was expecting. So you can see the examples which I mentioned, the success. When you say success, something you achieved. Something you achieved. Okay, when you want to achieve something, you need to have some target. When you want to achieve the target, you need to have some goals. In your life, you need to have some plan. You need to plan now itself. Yes, I am a student in St. Xavier's College. Okay, one of my senior, Kelvin Varghese, now he is a director. So I want to reach that place after 18 years. He reached 18 years. I want to reach within 10 years. Or I want to reach within 5 years. This is a goal. This is the mind. This is the way you need to set first. You need to plan, not only for a director. You can think of, I want to be a scientist, I want to be a project director, I want to be a new technology implemented person. Because we engineers can work anywhere. Even I want to be a software company, I want to be a senior project director, whatever it was. But you need to plan now. You need to set your goals now itself. You need to start think of now. If you are a final year student or third year student, just make in your targets or goals now itself. Okay, when you plan for your goals or your target, definitely we have a lot of challenges. There are a lot of challenges. When you join your engineering degree, you don't know what's the subject, what are the challenges, what you are going to face, what are the subject will be very easy, what are the subject will be make you very difficult. But every challenge has a solution. So first you need to understand your challenges, understand the obstacle. You need to understand your challenges. When you know there's a speed breaker, definitely your hand will automatically go to the brake and you will slow down your speed to manage the speed breaker in a smooth way to avoid your bike got damaged. So always you need to understand what are the challenges you are going to face in your life. Without knowing the challenges, you cannot find the solution. There's no solution available without knowing the challenge. Correct me if I'm wrong. So you need to set your target. You need to find to achieve the target what are the challenges you are going to face. When you know your challenges, you need to create your positive mind. Create a positive mental picture. Yes, I know there's a speed breaker, so I don't want to stop the vehicle and came down and just by walking but moving the bike in the speed breaker. That is not the positive mind. That's a negative mind. Feeling like if I go to the speed breaker, my bike will damage. I may fall down. I cannot drive. I cannot cross the speed breaker. This all called like a negative mind. In the life, there are a lot of challenges. Without challenge, there's no success. We cannot find a single success man saying that, I just started my life and I reached this place directly without any challenge. You cannot find anybody. So everyone's life has a challenge, but all about how you are taking in a positive mind. When you're studying in the college, don't think that the person next to you getting 100% score or 80% score, and I am getting only 40. He is not something special. He taken his mind that subject is easy. It's easy to achieve the job. Don't think now itself, okay, I'm doing my final year. Next year, my parents will send for me for job. How I can find a job? Who will support me? Without reference, I cannot find a job. Without communication knowledge, without major failure of our district people, communication, include me. I face a lot of challenge before getting my job. The major challenge in this society in our area is the communication. Because when you are an engineer, when you complete your engineering degree, when you are searching a job, you should know at least to talk about yourself. But there are many people, I'm doing the interviews, they cannot even talk about themselves. Okay, so but that's not end. Okay, as a final year student, next year I need to go for interview. Start prepare yourself now. Tell one of your best friend to do the interview for you now. You prepare yourself to talk ready for the interview. You do evaluation. You find your challenges. None of the interviewer will ask a technical question when you are a fresh engineer. They will ask, when I'm doing interview for the fresh engineers, I just read their mind, how positive he is, how much he has a positive mentality, how he is taking the things in a positive way. So never say no in the interview. Never say oh, no. Just say, yes sir, please give me a chance. I will try, I will do. Okay. Second, the fourth one, clear your mind from the doubt. I think I explained above. Clear your mind from doubt. Don't doubt yourself. You can. Always think, yes, I can do it. Okay, I will complete my final year. Why I need to wait for complete my final year? From fifth semester itself, I will start apply for my jobs. I am ready for the interview. Before my parents ask me to go for a job, I will go myself. So clear your mind. Always take in your mind in the positive way. Don't think now itself, I don't have the proper communication. The person, one of my college friend, he is very good in English. He's a top scorer in the college. He always, he always answer all the questions asked by the lecturer. It's not about that. Don't compare. Be positive. It's very easy. Believe me, in the interview, if you go and talk more than the interviewer, you are selected. If you go to the interview and sit and say, good morning, sir, and before entering itself, oh my God, I don't know what question they are going to ask. If they ask A, I know the A, or B, or C. Don't confuse. Clear your mind. The interview is a 5 minutes time for you to sell yourself. When you are entering the interview panel, just keep in mind, you are entering in a room to sell yourself to your customer. Don't think you are entering the interview. Clear your mind. Go positive mind. Be confident and enter. Then you will success. Embrace the challenge. Stay on track so that you can do it. I believe I explained most of the points here. So stay on track is very important. Stay on track. Don't confuse yourself. When you decided, I want to complete my BE engineering and I want to go for job, or when you decided, I will complete my engineering and I will go for my master degree, which my goal or my dream, then keep track on that. Don't say okay, let's try for some interviews. Then attend the interview, you got the chance, you selected, but your plan was to go for master degree. Then you are saying sorry, I'm not joining. So what happening here? You are not giving one the chance for the other person. You are just misusing the chance. So you will confused. Then when you join the new college for master degree, then your mind will be oh my God, I should have go for the job. See, that same position my friend joined and he is having now a nice car and he is having nice mobile. I am still a student. Don't confuse. After master degree, maybe you will get something else. Maybe if you go for interview and selected the job, you may be failed that area. So please stick on your track. Once you decided for your target, just follow the target, find out your challenges, make your mind in a positive way, and clear your mind with all the negative doubts. Okay, so that's my advice for this area. And final, very, very important thing, show that you can do it. Show that you can do it. Simple. Always. Don't show your, in the college example, don't show your lecturer or professor thinking that, how Kelvin will do this. We need to give one presentation to the international seminar. Why I need to select Kelvin? I will select Kishore. He's the best and top rating person. So Kelvin will be always in that area. Then we need to show, sir, can I try for this? Can I present? You are seeing the movies, right? The hero will come for some presentation and they cannot talk. They will struggle and in the initial stage, but finally they are the winner. So that's all, you don't take as a movies, take it in your life. You need to show that you can do it. Okay. Any doubt on this slide? Hello? You there? Excuse me.
Yeah, it's understandable. You
Okay.
have given more example.
Okay, I'm just moving forward. I just want to check if the line is okay or not,
Yeah.
I cannot see the screen of who is sitting, because I can see in my screen which like my presentation. So I don't know who is online and who is watching, right? Okay, thank you, sir. Identify your passion. The next thing. There are 8 ways to identify your life passion. How to live? See, nowadays you can see as a college students or many people, they have individual lifestyle. Definitely, I'm not like what I am in college life. Benos sir know me very well how I am in college life. My dressing style, the way of with the team, the body language, or the way of talking. In any event comes, we sit in the backside, we'll make noise and we think that time that is my passion, that we are showing very good in front of people. But that's not a life. You need to define your life. You need to plan your life. You need to make your own theme. Instead of in your mobile putting nice screen saver, instead of in your mobile putting nice photos or putting your Facebook status or in your social media profile picture and all, that's not your life passion. Your life should be defined by you with I will give some example, but it's in your hand. First one is a slow down. Slow down, it means you want to be a hero in the college, but don't be very impressive. Always think twice before you're doing something. Think twice before you're taking move forward your steps. Think in a way before you're talking to someone. When you're talking to your professor, think is your professor, you need to respect, and always don't think your opposite person is not smarter than you. They also have the well mature mind and they are also very smart. So slow down, it means always when you're talking and when you're discussing something or when you're taking any new decisions, please think twice. Don't do it in a second. When you're angry, mainly when you are getting angry in your classroom or with your friends or wherever, take 2 minutes time, then take your decision. Don't take any decision when you are in angry mode. When you get angry in the phone, don't talk like even your parents or your friends. After marriage, mainly your wife. When you are in when you are in a work environment, make sure your colleagues relationship with you in a good way. Definitely, there are a lot of challenge. You cannot expect the same friendship relation during the college time. College time, 10 friends means very less. 100 friends means good team. But when you go to the office, work environment, if you get 3 good friends, you are a lucky person. That much politics and different, it's a totally different environment. So you have to be prepared now itself, how to talk to the people, how to respect to the people, how to take the decision to the people, how you can, how to take the decision in the right way before you action, right? Okay. The second one is to change your story. I'm the one of the example. If you ask Mr. Benos sir, 2002, hi, How is Kelvin? I know the answer. I don't need to tell myself of. I know the answer. So if you ask my story now, it's totally different. 2002 Kelvin story is different. 2020 Kelvin story is different. This all the changes comes my own way. Definitely the great support and guidance by the senior people. One of the person in my well-wisher and always respected person is Beno sir. He given me a lot of advice during the college. He motivated me. Still he is motivating me. All my success is 1% of his dedication will be there. So change your life. When you want to change your life, you need to plan your life. You don't think that yes, I'm a bad student, I'm a bad person of my parents, I'm a bad person of my neighbors or circle. எப்போவுமே லைஃப்பில் வந்து நம்ம பேடாக இருக்க மாட்டோம். நமக்கு பேட் டைமுக்கு ஒரு நல்ல டைம் இருக்கும். இன்றைக்கி வந்து எங்கள் அப்பா அம்மா சொல்லுவாங்க, உன்னை யார் யாரெல்லாம் உருப்பட மாட்டான் விளங்க மாட்டான்னு சொன்னாங்களோ அவங்க இன்னைக்கு என் வீட்டில் வந்து என் பையனுக்கு ஏதாவது ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுங்க, வேலை பண்ணுங்க, உங்கள் பையன் ரொம்ப நல்ல இடத்துல இருக்கான்னு பேசுவாங்க. அதை கேட்கும்போது எங்களுக்கு வந்து பல கோடி சொத்து சேர்த்த மாதிரி இருக்கு அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. ஸோ சேஞ்ச் யுவர் ஸ்டோரி. உங்கள் லைஃப்பில் வந்து எதுவுமே உங்கள் கையில் தான் இருக்குது. யூ கேன் சேஞ்ச் இட். ஓன் யுவர் இண்டிவிஜுவாலிட்டி. உங்களுக்குன்னு ஒரு தனித்தன்மை. யூ ஹேவ் டு பி இண்டிவிஜுவாலிட்டி. நீங்கள் வந்து முடியாது, என்னால் முடியாது அப்படின்னு நினைக்காதீங்க. யூ கேன். எவ்ரி திங் இஸ் பாசிபிள் ஆல் இன் யுவர் லைஃப். யுவர் லைஃப் இஸ் இட் கண்ட்ரோல் பை யுவர் செல்ஃப், நாட் ஃபார் நன் ஆஃப் தம். இஃப் யூ திங்க் லைக் வாக்கிங் அவுட் சைட் வித் some model dress, people looking ugly, you will be not a modern person at all. Okay, let them see. It's my dressing, I am wearing, I am going myself, who I need to. But you need to just control, not in a over way. Encourage confidence. You need to be encourage yourself, your confidence level. Always. You have to encourage your confidence level. How to encourage your confidence level? You need to motivate yourself. You need to motivate yourself. You want to motivate yourself means you need to motivate others. When your friend says like, oh man, your dress is looking good. Thank you so much. But I always like your dressing style. So you are motivating him and he is motivating you. Automatically you will get some positive mind that day. Find the themes. The fifth one. As I told you, you have to create your own theme. Not your themes like a Facebook status or a profile picture. No. You need to create your life where you are living and how you can achieve. Even the person from the village can be a vice president or president in a day. The person from the city also be a president in a day. I am from Kolachal. Maybe you guys know. Kolachal Ona number. My parents are fishermen. My father is a fisherman. I am from fisherman family. I studied in a Tamil medium in St. Mary's Higher Secondary School. உண்மையை சொல்லனா எனக்கு சென்ட் சேவியர்ஸில் ஃபஸ்ட் இயர் வரும்போது டெல் அபவுட் யுவர் செல்ஃப்னு சொல்லிட்டு என்னோட கெமிஸ்ட்ரி மேடம் கேட்கும்போது அந்த லைன் வரிசையாக வரும்போது நான் வந்து தலையை குனிஞ்சிட்டு எப்படி எஸ்கேப் ஆகலான்னு இருந்தாள். ஸோ அன்னைக்கு வந்து நான் வந்து ஒரு நெகட்டிவ் மைண்டோட என்னால் முடியாதுன்னு நினச்சிருந்தா இன்னைக்கு I will not sit in this place. So we need to find a theme. Don't think that I am from Kanyakumari, only Chennai girls or Chennai boys can talk English, they will get a job. I cannot find a job. How I will face the interview? No. The person from the coastal place, Kolachal, reaching in a director of Dubai Airport and HNG in Dubai and best manager of Middle East, possible means you guys can be also. You can. Yes or no? No one is there?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Sometimes we need to talk. So everything is possible, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And you guys are very lucky that Benos are still with the St. Xavier's College. You have to say thanks for him. Even still this lockdown, he is keep on working for this, arranging the seminars and contact with the team. Right. Okay, the seventh one is focus on the fun, and eighth is really the push past fear. Push past fear means forgot the fast things. If you fail for third year arrear, or you not succeed to be a good scorer in the college, or you failed for something in the past, forgot. During my third year, I have 18 arrears, and I am one of the student got D bar in third year. Final year, I completed all my papers and I joined my master degree in Satyabama. And in Satyabama, in master degree, I got first class with distinction. That day, one incident happened in the college. I was D bar. That time, Mr. Benosar told me, Kelvin, you have the talent. You can. Why you are going with this kind of areas? Come out. This is your last chance, and get a. You want to clear all these papers. That's the one you are giving respect. That taken me to this level today. The people who are against me and demotivated me, I taken a challenge and I want to success myself, and the person supported me that time, Mr. Benosar and Haisa ma'am. These two of them, they stand for me. Total management of the college against, but they both stand for me that Kelvin, you can success. Clear this all papers. Any support you need, we are with you. And I cleared. And today I am sitting in the same college, I am giving the presentation. Just because of the day they motivated. Otherwise I should have go for fishing as a fisherman. If the college decided, okay, we don't want Kelvin to continue, then I can be a fisherman somewhere today. You cannot find me this screen. Right. Second slide, we'll talk about SMART. SMART is one of the important area to success in your life. So before going there, any questions, anybody want to talk? We'll just have some discussion if you don't mind. Anybody have any questions?
No, sir.
You can talk, you can talk. இங்க தமிழ்ல கூட கேட்கலாம், எந்த லாங்குவேஜ்லயும் கேட்கலாம். மலையாளம், தமிழ் and இங்கிலீஷ் எந்த லாங்குவேஜ்ல வேணாலும் பேசுங்க. சும்மா ஃப்ரீயா பேசுங்க. ஏன்னா அது எனக்கே போரா இருக்கு. அப்படியே தனியா பேசிட்டு இருக்க மாதிரி இருக்கு எனக்கு. சார் உங்களோட ஏதாவது சொல்லணுமா?
Students, I think கேட்பாங்க.
ஓகே ஜார்ஜ் சொல்லுங்க.
இப்போ நீங்க உங்களை டீபார் பண்ணிட்டாங்கன்னா அந்த நேரம் நீங்க உங்க மைண்ட்ல என்ன ஃபீல் பண்ணிப்பீங்க?
உண்மையை சொல்லணும்னா நம்ம ராமன்புதூர் கோயில், அந்த திருக்குடும்ப கோயில் சர்ச்சில் வந்து போய் அழுதேன். அந்த அந்தோனியார் குருசடி இருக்குல்ல, அந்த கார்மல் ஸ்கூல் ஃப்ரெண்டில், அதில் உட்காந்து அழுதேன். நல்லா அழுதேன். ஏன்னா எங்கள் அப்பா அம்மா வந்து ஒரு அப்பா வந்து ஒரு ஃபிஷர்மேன், பிஸ்னஸ் மேனு. அந்த இடத்துல வந்து நம்மளை இவ்வளோ கஷ்டப்பட்டு படித்து வச்சாங்களே ஒரு நம்பிக்கையாக. இன்றைக்கி நம்ம அவங்களுக்கு இப்படி பண்ணிட்டோமே. ஏன்னா அப்பா வந்து அழுதுட்டு இருந்தாங்க. அதை பார்த்துட்டு நான் அழுதுட்டேன். சர்ச்சில் போய் ப்ரேயர் பண்ணேன். காலில் வந்து ஏர்லி மார்னிங் கைசா மேடம் வீட்டுக்கு போனேன். மேடம் எனக்கு ஒரு சான்ஸ் கொடுங்க, எனக்காக பேசுங்க. ஏன்னா யாருமே வரல பேசுறதுக்கு. அப்புறம் பெனோசார்ட்ட பேசினேன். அவங்க 2 பேர் தான் ஓகே. அப்போ ஃபைனலாக வந்து என்னை டீபார் பண்ணலை. சாரோட சப்போர்ட்டும் ஹைசா மேம் சப்போர்ட்டில் வந்து அந்த டைம் வந்து ஹைசா மேம் வந்து ஹச்ஓடியாக இருந்தாங்க. அனிதா மேம் படிச்சுட்டு இருந்தாங்க ஏதோ ஸ்டடீஸ் போன டைமில். அப்போ அவங்க 2 பேரும் தான் எனக்கு ரெக்கமெண்ட் பண்ணி ஓகே டீபாரில் செமஸ்டர் எழுத விடலை, நெக்ஸ்ட் செமஸ்டர் எழுத விட்டாங்க. பட் வந்து சார் சேலஞ்ச் எடுத்தாங்க, அவன் எல்லா பேப்பரும் கிளியர் பண்ணுவான், அவனுக்கு சான்ஸ் கொடுங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஸோ அந்த ஒரு மோட்டிவேஷன். நான் ஃபெயில் ஆகலை அந்த டைம். நான் ஃபெயில் ஆனேன், பட் சார் என்ன ஃபெயில் ஆக விடலை. ஓகே ஜார்ஜ், ஆன்சர் கிடைக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். எனி மோர் கொஸ்டின்? நம்ம கண்டினியூ பண்ணலாமா ஸ்லைடு?
ஓகே சார், கண்டினியூ பண்ணுங்க.
தேங்க்யூ.
தேங்க்யூ.
ஸ்மார்ட்னா என்னென்னா நம்ம ஸ்மார்ட்டாக ட்ரெஸ் பண்ணுறதோ, இல்லை ஸ்மார்ட்டாக வந்து அழகாக இருக்கிறதோ, ஸ்மார்ட்டாக பேசுகிறதோ, வாய்ஸ் நல்லா இருக்கிறதோ இல்லை. நம்ம என்ன பேசுகிறோங்கிறத ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்காக பேசணும். வாட் யூ ஆர் டாக்கிங் யூ ஹேவ் டு பி ஸ்பெசிஃபிக். அதை மெஷர் பண்ணணும். ஆல்வேஸ் உங்கள் லைஃப்பை நீங்கள் மெஷர் பண்ணணும். யாருமே அது பண்ணுறதில்லை. தட்ஸ் ஒன் ஆஃப் த பிக்கஸ்ட் ஃபெயிலியர் வி ஹாவ் இன் த லைஃப். When you measure yourself, you find your failures and you correct your failures. If you think like, yeah, I am very smart, I am a good person, I am doing myself, everything is perfect, what will happen? Your negative will be negative in front of others. So you need to measure yourself. When you're doing some work, you need to do, I'm doing correct 100% or not. How to measure that things means you need to recheck. You need to study, you need to analyze yourself. உங்களை நீங்களே வந்து வெரிஃபிகேஷன் பண்ணிக்கணும். இன்னைக்கு காலையில் வந்து நான் ப்ரொபோசர்கிட்ட பேசினேன்ல, அது நான் கரெக்டாக பேசினேன்னா இல்லையா? அவர் ஃபீல் பண்ணியிருப்பார்ல, சரி ஓகே நம்ம பேசக்கூடாது, அவர் எவ்வளோ கஷ்டப்பட்டு ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணி நமக்கு ஒரு கிளாஸ் எடுக்கிறாரு, நம்ம இப்போ ஒரு ஃபன்னுக்காக கிளாஸில் ஹீரோ ஆகிறதுக்காக நம்ம அன்னெசரி டாக் எல்லாம் போட்டோம்ல, அது தப்பா சரியா? இதனால அவருக்கு என்ன லாபம், நமக்கு என்ன லாபம்? அவருக்கு எதுவுமே இல்லை, அவர் கிளாஸ் எடுத்துட்டு போயிட்டாங்க, நமக்கு தான் வந்து அந்த கிளாஸை லிசன் பண்ணல. இந்த மாதிரி நீங்கள் என்னைக்காவது ஒரு நாள் திங்க் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்களா ஸ்டூடெண்டா? நான் பண்ணதில்லை. மறுநாள் எப்படியெல்லாம் ஜோக் பண்ணலான்னு யோசிப்போம். ஸோ இது வந்து இங்கே மட்டும் இல்லை, காலேஜில் இல்லை, வென் யூ ஆர் கோயிங் ஜாப். இன்னைக்கு வந்து நான் வந்து ஒரு வென் யூ ஆர் ஜாயினிங் ஒன் கம்பெனி, there are 5 people will work, example, and you are one of that 5, and you want to be the next level means you need to be smart. You need to be smart from these 4 people, other 4 people. Then only you will go for promotion. If you see my first slide, I joined as a FM manager, senior manager, operation manager, associate director in a 4 years. You think like I have somebody here? No, this is a Switzerland company. Swiss Airways owner is the owner of this company also. If you ask me, this organization, 90% of the senior management people from Europe countries, UK, US and all, I'm the only one Indian. The reason, even some of the UK people reporting to me, the reason I do myself smart, I do myself specific, I do myself measurable, I always plan for my achievable, and I am very realistic, and I follow the timely. 10 o'clock seminar, I need to be here at 9:50 to prepare myself, not like at 10:30. The timing is very important, please keep in mind. Time will never get back. As I mentioned, no, காலேஜில் வந்து லெக்சரர் கிளாஸ் எடுக்கும்போது நமக்கு ஃபன்னாக இருக்கும். எக்ஸாமு போகும்போது அந்த சப்ஜெக்ட் கொஸ்டின் கேட்கும்போது அதை படித்து எழுதுறோம் தெரியுமா, அப்போ தான் அந்த டைமோட வேல்யூ தெரியும். இது அந்த கிளாஸில் வந்து ஈவன் பெனோ சார்லாம் எனக்கு தெரியும், அவங்க வந்து 1 hour கிளாஸ்னால் ஒரு 1/2 hour கிளாஸ் எடுப்பாங்க, 1/2 hour ஃப்ரீயாக விடுவாங்க, ரொம்ப ஜாலியாக ஃபன்னாக நம்மகிட்ட இண்டிவிஜுவலாக பேசுவாங்க. அவங்க கிளாஸ் அப்படி இருக்கும். அவங்க கிளாஸ்னாலே நமக்கு அது ஒரு கிளாஸ் மாதிரி இருக்காது, பாதி நேரம் சப்ஜெக்ட்னா பாதி. எங்கள் பேட்சில் வந்து சார் வந்து ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் காலேஜ் வந்த டைமில் எங்களுக்கு கிளாஸ் எடுத்தாங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு அவங்க எடுத்த சப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு வந்து 100% ரிசல்ட் நாங்கள் கொடுத்தோம். எங்கள் கிளாஸில் வந்து ஒரு ஆள் கூட அவங்க சப்ஜெக்ட் ஃபெயில் ஆகலை. ஏன்னா வந்து அவங்க வந்து ஸ்ட்ரிக்டாகவோ வெரி ரூடாகவோ கிளாஸ் எடுப்பாங்க, சப்ஜெக்டை கிளியராக கொடுப்பாங்க, நோட்ஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க கிளியராக. 1/2 hour வந்து எங்களாவது ஒரு குரூப் டிஸ்கஷன் விடுவாங்க, டாக் எடுப்பாங்க. அவங்க ரீட் பண்ணுவாங்க எந்தெந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட் ரீச் ஆகிருக்கு, ரீச் ஆகலை. இது வந்து அதுவும் அந்த ஸ்மார்ட், அவங்க வந்து அந்த ஸ்மார்ட் மூவ்னு சொல்லுவாங்கள்ல, அதனால தான் இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஹி இஸ் ஏ வைஸ் பிரின்சிபால். கரெக்டா சார்? So when you follow your smart, you can see the presentation. You can achieve your goal. You cannot achieve your goal without your smart, without specific, without measurable, without achievable. You have to be very smart. Live purposefully. I'll go a little fast because the time is also running. Take your time. Always smile. Keep yourself cool. Say yes. Please, always say yes. Don't say no. Say no when needed only. Say yes means not like can you jump from this rooftop? Yes sir. No. Say yes means always be positive. You can. Yes, I can. This is the mind, you need to have it. Yeah. Understand yourself. You need to know yourself. You need to know yourself, who you are, where you are now, where you are standing now. Do yourself on written exam. Right? Just take on paper and write to yourself what qualification you have now, where you are standing, and what is your plan in the future, how to achieve that, what are the steps there, what is your specific. Okay, say thank you. Say thank you means it's not mean that, it's a say thank you. Please be polite. Whenever anybody help you, please keep that in mind and always try to help them back. Please be a very friendly and helping person. Don't be very rude. Loud noise, shouting to others. Nothing will happen. when you make a shout noise, when you are shouting to somebody, your energy is wasting. For them is nothing, but you are killing them by words. So always talk in a nice way, dream your words, dream good things, respect others people time. When the lecturer is taking the class, when your professor is taking the class, don't waste the time, respect them. நீங்கள் வந்து அடுத்த ஆளோட டைம் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் பண்ணும்போது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக உங்களுக்கு லைஃப்பில் நிறைய நல்ல டைம்கள் வரும். என் நேரம் சரியில்லைப்பான்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தீங்கன்னா நேரம் சரியில்லாமல் தான் இருக்கும். அவன் நேரம் நல்லா இருக்கு, என் நேரம் சரியில்லைன்னு பாரு.